Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2017 Chevy Silverado LTZ Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z7225A. Only 8,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. This Silverado is owned by one of our employees, Deep Ocean Blue in color. You receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility and power sliding window for extra ventilation. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera, along with front and rear parking sensors. Heavy-duty trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate with bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Silverado is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, Bose sound system, power seats along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that put you in that perfect driving position, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, and integrated trailer brake control. Read gauges, again only 8,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. That steering wheel is also heated. Cruise control. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. All the power outlets you'll ever need. Wireless charging pad for cell phones. No need to have cords in the way. Lots of storage space. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. Large dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power sliding window control. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 20 on the highway, and only 8,000 miles on those tires. For more information on the Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.